to maths class once again. Hope all of you are fine and safe at home, beta. We were doing class 6, chapter number 3, factors and multiples, and we have completed till exercise 3.4. So previously we have discussed about HCF and LCM. So now let's today discuss what is relation between HCF and LCM. What is the relation between HCF and LCM? It is product of given numbers is equal to HCF multiply of LCM. Whenever two numbers are given, their product means multiplication, is equal to HCF multiply of LCM. And similarly, if we have to find HCF, अगर हमें HCF find करना हो, product is also given and LCM is also given. So HCF will be equal to, when LCM will go on that side, it will be divided because it is with multiply of HCF. So HCF will be equal to product of given numbers divide by LCM. Similarly, if we have to find LCM, LCM is equal to product of given numbers divide by HCF. Because if we have to find LCM and HCF is there, so HCF will go on that side and it will be divided. So now let's use these formulas and do exercise questions. Now see question number first, it is given, for each pair of numbers verify product of numbers is equal to HCF multiply of LCM. So numbers are given. One number is given 44 and another is 60. But HCF and LCM both we have to find. So first let's find HCF and LCM of these numbers. To find HCF, let's use method 44 and 60 को एक साथ ही हम करते हैं. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से क्या होएगा? 2 की टेबल पे जा रहे हैं दोनों. 2 2 सा 4, 2 2 सा 4, 2 3 सा 6, 0. दोबारा 2 की टेबल पे जा रहे हैं. 2 1 सा 2, 2 1 सा 2, 2 1 सा 2, 2 5 सा 10. अब कोई भी कॉमन नंबर नहीं आ रहा 11 और 15 के बीच में, तो हम क्या करते थे? HCF वहीं पे स्टॉप कर देते थे एंड जो नंबर्स आते थे उनको क्या कर देते थे? मल्टीप्लाई कर देते थे. जो नंबर्स आते थे उनको हम क्या कर देते थे? मल्टीप्लाई. सो HCF मेरे पास क्या आ गया? 4 आ गया. नाउ फाइंड LCM. LCM फाइंड करते हैं. 44 एंड 60 का 2 की टेबल पे पहले जा रहे हैं, देन अगेन 2 की टेबल पे जा रहे हैं. अब LCM में हम क्या करते थे? LCM में हम स्टॉप नहीं करते थे एंड तक जब तक हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को 1 से नहीं कर देते डिवाइड, तब तक हम इसको सॉल्व करते जाते थे. अब 11 किसकी टेबल पे जाएगा? कोई कॉमन नंबर तो है नहीं 11 और 15 का. सो 11 1 सा 11, 15 एज इट इज आएगा एंड 15 1 सा 15. एलसीएम के लिए अब इन नंबर्स को हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, क्या आ जाएगा? 2 मल्टीप्लाई 11 मल्टीप्लाई 15. नाउ 15 2 सा 30 एंड 11 2 सा 22. जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इनको क्या आ जाएगा? 660. तो मेरे पास एलसीएम आ गया 660, एचसीएफ आ गया 4. अब इसको वेरीफाई करना था हमें. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स इज इक्वल टू एचसीएफ मल्टीप्लाई एलसीएम. तो नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? मतलब कि 44 मल्टीप्लाई में 60. एचसीएफ मेरे पास क्या है? 4. एलसीएम की वैल्यू क्या है मेरे पास? 660. इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं दोनों तरफ, तो क्या आ जाएगा मेरे पास? 2640. इस साइड भी यही आ जाएगा. सो HCF लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल आ रही है, तो हेंस इट इज वेरीफाइड. इसका बी पार्ट आपको ट्राई करोगे. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो नाउ लेट्स सी सेकंड क्वेश्चन. इट इज गिवन द HCF and LCM of two numbers are 5 and 400 respectively. मुझे HCF दिया है 5 and LCM is given 400. If one of the numbers is 25, अगर एक नंबर है मेरे पास 25, फाइंड द अदर नंबर, मुझे दूसरा नंबर फाइंड करना है. तो सबसे पहले हम फॉर्मूला लिख देंगे. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट इज इट? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ गिवन नंबर्स इज इक्वल टू HCF मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ LCM. नाउ गिवन नंबर्स मतलब प्रोडक्ट उनका. फर्स्ट नंबर किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे? सेकंड नंबर से. और HCF मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ LCM. HCF की वैल्यू क्या है मेरे पास? 5. LCM की वैल्यू क्या है मेरे पास? 400. मुझे एक नंबर दिया हुआ है 25, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई हियर एंड सेकंड नंबर मुझे फाइंड करना है. 5 मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ 400. अब ये मल्टीप्लाई में है 25 इसके साथ, दूसरी साइड जब जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सो सेकंड नंबर इज इक्वल टू 5 मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ 400 डिवाइड बाय 25. 5 5s are 25 and 5 80s are 400. तो मेरे पास क्या वैल्यू आ गई सेकंड नंबर की 80. So the other number is equal to 80. So this is the answer. So now let's move forward to next question. Now let's move forward to next question. It is given the product of two numbers is 2625. Now here numbers are not given, product is given, and product is 2625 means multiplication of the numbers is given. If HCF of the number is 5, now HCF is given 5 and we have to find the LCM. We have to find the LCM. It is question number 3rd and we have to find the LCM. We will apply the formula, same formula here, that product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiply of LCM. And we have to find LCM here. I have told you, whenever we have to find LCM, HCF is multiply of LCM. HCF will go on other side, and since it is multiplication, having sign of multiplication with LCM, then when it will come on other side, it will be divided. So LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF. Now what is the product of two numbers given? Product is given 2625 and HCF is given 5. So now let's divide by 5. What we will get? 5 5 is a 25, 5 2 is a 10 and 5 5 is a 25 again. So LCM is equal to 525. So here LCM we have got 525. So now let's move forward. So see the next question now. It is given question number 4th. The HCF of two numbers is 25. HCF is given 25 and if the two numbers are 125 and 75, two numbers are also given. The one number is 125 and the other number, second number we can say it is 75. Find their LCM. We have to find their LCM. So now we know that product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiply of LCM. So now product is not given. First number and second number is given. So let's multiply first number by second number equal to HCF is given 25 multiply of LCM. Now what is first number? 125 and what is second number? 75 and we have to find LCM. Now I have told you what is LCM. LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF, that is 25. Now we have to multiply. हमें पता है LCM अगर हमें find करना हो तो HCF कैसे find अगर हमें yes LCM we have to find, then HCF will go on other side and it is multiply with LCM. So product of two numbers divided by HCF. This is our LCM. अब दो numbers क्या दिए थे मुझे? 125 and 75. So here we have write. And LCM is multiplied by 25. When it will go on other side, it will be divided by these numbers. So now 25 3s are 75. Now we have to multiply 125 by 3. What we will get? 375. So 375 is our LCM. 375 is our LCM. So now let's see next question. So now let's see question number 5. It is given if the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 12 and 72 respectively. HCF is given 12 and LCM is given 72. Find the product of the two numbers. We have to find only the product. We don't have to find the numbers. So don't get confused that we have to find the numbers. We have to find only the product. Product means multiplication of the numbers. So now let's use this formula again, that product of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiply of LCM. Now HCF is given 12 and LCM is given 72. So what we will write? Product of two numbers is equal to 12 multiply of 72. We only have to multiply these both numbers. So when we will multiply 12 and 72, what we will get? 864. So what is the answer? So product of two numbers is equal to 864. This is our answer. This is a very simple question, the most simple question in the exercise, that product of numbers is equal to 864. So now let's move forward to our last question of this exercise. So students, now let's see last question of this exercise. It is given the LCM of two numbers is 819. Now LCM is given 819. If the two numbers are 63 and 117, two numbers are given. First is 63 and the other is 117. Find their HCF. We have to find their HCF. So now again it is very simple. What is the formula? That product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiply of LCM. Now the two numbers are first multiply second, and we have to multiply it with equal to HCF multiply of LCM. Now we have to find HCF. So what we know, to find HCF, what is the formula? Product of the numbers, first number multiply of second number, divided by LCM. So now let's put here the values. First number value is 63, multiply of second number value is 117, divided by, what is the LCM? 819. So now let's see on which common table the both numbers are going. Let's see 63, 7 9s are 63 and 819. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 and 7 7s are 49. So now 117 and 117 can be cancelled. Both are the same numbers. So what we will get? Value 9. So what is the HCF? HCF is equal to 9. So this is a HCF. Now here exercise 3.5 is completed, and with that we have completed chapter number 3 complete full. Now you have to complete your all the exercises in your Maths Fail notebook. So please do it nicely. Your notebooks will be checked. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.